This is the elevator at the UPMC Outpatient Center at Sterling Square in Erie, Pennsylvania. This was a 70s, 80s Westinghouse, which is rare for Erie, but thousands of miners by Otis. It's original interlock. Not sure if it's the original top or not. Basement. I think it was a quiet, sick time. Here we go down. It had EPCO originally, definitely. It's probably the wood grain, but then they replaced your stainless steel for some reason. Am I there though? Yeah, here, basement, yeah, that's a really quiet flow crossing chime. There's no directional chime at all. Two. Floor buttons are not California, call buttons and everything else inside here are California. That we'll call cancel sign. I don't think close no longer. Here it up. Might be parked yellow. The basement girl's faded. There are two. It's a nice atrium. Go back to number one. It's a basic Westinghouse fake room cab with a bunch of UPMC medical signage. There's a newer floor. I'm not sure what it's from though. Here we go. One turn stays up. Moving. Oh, the sight bar. There's nothing there.